Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to add wireless Wi-Fi network manually in Windows 10 and guide you through each step clearly and simply. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen, type Control Panel, and select it from the search results. The Control Panel is where you can access advanced system settings and network options. This is important because manual network setup is managed from here. Step 2, under Network and Internet, click on View Network Status and Tasks. This will open the Network and Sharing Center, which shows your current network connections and settings. It is the main hub for managing wired and wireless networks. Step 3, click on Set up a new connection or network. This option allows you to create a new network profile or connect to a hidden network. It launches a setup wizard that guides you through the configuration process. Step 4, select Manually Connect to a wireless network and then click Next. This option is useful when the Wi-Fi network is hidden or not showing in the available list. It lets you enter the network details manually. Step 5, enter the network name. Choose the correct security type and type the security key carefully, then click Next. You can get this information from your router settings or network administrator. Entering the correct details ensures a secure and successful connection. Step 6, click on Change Connection Settings. If you want to modify advanced options, then adjust the settings as needed and click OK. Here you can configure connection mode, IP address, DNS server, or security settings. This step is helpful if you need specific network configurations. Step 7. Click the Internet Access icon in the bottom right corner of your screen to open the list of available networks. Select the network you just added and click Connect to join it. Once connected, you will see the status showing that the network is secured and active. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.